Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can delete your Blooket account. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC and here search for blooket.com and press enter on your keyboards. Now once you search for it, you will be landed to its official homepage which looks like this. Now in order to delete your Blooket account, firstly you need to get logged into your Blooket account. So tap on login button and there type in your username, password and get logged into your account. Now once you get logged into your account, tap on your profile name at the top right corner of your screen and there a drop down menu will be appear on your screen. Now from that menu tap on settings option and then you will be taken to its settings page. Now scroll this settings page a bit down and there under edit info section you will be able to see delete account option. Now tap on that option and there in the next page you will be asked for your account password. Now type in your account password correctly and then tap on delete button. Once your Blooket account gets deleted, you will be end up to its login page. So that's all it takes to delete your Blooket account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.